Another question I get a lot is, this isn't guaranteed, so why should I pay you money or do it myself if it's not guaranteed? Where are the things that things can fail, where my pardon can go wrong? This is where actually I think my experience is particularly helpful, because if you just got off parole for a felony where you did 2 to 4 years upstate and you got out and you walked off your parole and you think you're going to file for a pardon and be forgiven by the governor's board, I'm going to advise against it. You can still file your own if you want, but one reason for failure is it's too soon. Well, what's too soon, Mark? Well, if you have an old marijuana misdemeanor, I think you can file for a pardon anytime because marijuana cases are being expedited. The more serious your crime gets on the scale of severity, from summary offenses, misdemeanor offenses, slowly going up to felonies and felonies of the first degree, the more serious the crime, the more time that needs to go by. And if you have a felony, a burglary or something, you went into a house or a garage to steal stuff and sell it for drugs, that's serious. It's going to be at least a felony 2. Could be a felony 1. But if that's getting 10 years old and you've done a really good job with your life and you have a good way of explaining what happened and when, I can review your answers and I think we can talk about when is a good time to file. The thing you have to understand about the pardon process is that there are no rules. You can file one whenever you want, but if you don't get the votes you need, then you're denied. Then you have to wait a year and you can ask again. But in general, every time you ask, you lose 2 years. So that's how a pardon can get denied.